So hello guys, welcome back. This is me Santhosh, and today I'm going to show you how to flash Android devices and how to downgrade Android devices to previous Android versions. And this is not the case of upgrading Android, because that's so simple in case of upgrading from one Android firmware to another. In this case, we are going to root it and I'm going to show it to you guys. It is going to be very simple. I'm going to be explaining to you in detail, so it took a lot of effort for me. So please make sure to subscribe and like this video for further more videos like this. So as you can see, this is my mobile and this is Moto X Play. So I'm having Android Nougat in this. I need to downgrade this. So many of you guys might be thinking of any other mobiles, but for this video I'm going to show you only about this mobile. So for any other mobiles, please comment me or please contact me in my Discord server. I will help you. So here you can see it's Android phone 7.1.1 and this Android Nougat, and I want to downgrade it to the previous or the first ever Motorola X Play Android version, which is Android 5.1.1 Lolipop. So that's going to be interesting, because why I'm downgrading it, because this phone especially with this Android version takes up a lot of storage and I don't want it, and also the performance got reduced when I upgraded to Android Nougat. So let's start with it. Before going to it, we need to turn on our developer mode, because that's more important. We need to root it, right? So in order to root it, we need to unlock the OEM, and OEM is, as you can see, the abbreviation is written on the top of the video. So OEM, we have to unlock it, and then we could go into the bootloader and we could connect it to our PC. So the requirements of this setup is going to be a cable like this and a phone, so especially this phone, Motorola X Play, and a PC, a normal PC, maybe a laptop even, right? It should run on any other device like Windows, Linux, anything is okay. And yeah, we need to turn on the developer mode. In order to turn on the developer mode, you just need to go to the settings of the mobile and go scroll down up until you get this option, about phone, and here you can go to here, scroll down until you get this number, build number, right? So you just need to spam click on. So if you don't know what is meant by spam click, you just can join my Discord server, and it's going to be very interesting because we always spam in that server, mostly unwanted things, right? So after you clicking for many times, like about 10 to 15 times, you turn on the developer mode. You can see it's here. So before it was not here, now it turned on, now it's switched on to developer mode, and you can open this, and you just need to turn on OEM unlocking. There's going to be a problem with it, so turn on USB debugging also, because it may be helpful in some case. And after you turning on all of these, you need to get into the PC, and now it's going to be the next level type of coding, but I'm going to be visualizing it to you, and I'm going to be making it simpler for you. So I have every code and files in my file description, the video description, right? So you can just download from there, and it's going to be very simple, right? Yeah, you can see we are having this website here and this website here. So these three websites will be given in the link description. Before that, I'm going to show you what are these websites for. So this website here is for the ADB fastboot software, which is going to help us for connecting our mobile through our PC and doing some coding stuff, right? Then this here is going to be the Motorola Support Center website. Here we are going to download my USB driver, device driver for my device or whatever. Shit, I'm just totally bad in English, guys. So anyways, unfortunately I think it won't come with Linux, right? Linux or Ubuntu. So I just need to click on which processing unit, or like a 32-bit or 64-bit. You just need to click on that, and it would open a file
Just need to download it, double click it, and it will say something to install. So it's going to be just temporary. After you flash the mobile, you can of course delete it. So click on it and install it, right? And the next thing, I'm going to give this actually support home again, and it's going to be a process of unlocking your bootloader. So this video contains two parts. First one is unlocking our bootloader, and the second one is going to be flashing our mobile phone, downgrading it to Lollipop Android. So this is what we call it as a notepad, right? And in this, I will be giving these codes in the description.
We need to turn off this mobile, right? Long press this power button. Get the mobile got switched off. The one thing I'm going to show you is just click the power button as well as the volume down button at the same time, and you get into the bootloader. And in my case, I think I would get to the bootloader. Yes, you can see now I'm in the bootloader. First of all, connect this to your mobile. So, guys, you can see it is in the transfer mode. USB connected. It says.
The next thing we have to do is just copy the first code, and after downloading that minimal ADB fastboot, this is just the fastboot software, you need to paste the first code here and click enter, and it says that my mobile is connected and it's in the transfer mode. The next thing you have to do is just copy the second code on the second line. There's the fastboot OEM unlock data, place it here. First of all, we just select all of these and paste it here. And here you can see we have all these codes. Copy it again and place it below this. And we don't need these gaps, right? We just need all those codes. So you can see this is my code, by the way. You just need to copy all these codes here, and make sure you selected all the codes, all the number, and click on copy. Click copy, Control C, and you can see here this website. So there's going to be a code like this. Check if your device can be unlocked by passing this string field below. And can my device be unlocked? So you just need to paste it and click on can my device unlock. Okay, anyways, just click on agree and request a key, unlock key, right? So it shows you a warning that your warranty will go off, but don't worry about that. I forgot to say that you need to sign up in this website, right? And we need to go to the email, in which we have signed up in this device. You can see here there's an email from Motorola, and this is the unlock code. So you just need to copy this, and next code is going to be here. Just need to place it here. Just need to backspace the key, click enter. The phone is unlocked successfully. You can see, by the way, I'll show you the next time because this cable is so loose, and it shows that your device is unlocked. Status mode 3. Now it's the time for us to do the next part. So the next part is going to be how to downgrade your mobile phone to Android 5.1.1, which is Android Lollipop.
So guys, the next part of our video is just installing Lollipop Android on our mobile. So you can see my mobile is says that your device is unlocked. Let's get into the PC, and the next thing I will be giving you some codes, and you need to enter it in the CMD where you have installed that firmware files, and that's it. Let's go.
So open the file folder here and shift and right click here. So after shift and right clicking this, we get a Windows terminal. This is where we are going to put all our codes in there, right? So we need to copy the first code. We are going to execute it line by line. Copy the first code, place it here. Before entering it, click go to the start of the code and type dot and /. click enter. It says something okay and 0.08 seconds, and copy the second code. This time we don't need to click type dot and backslash because it's already there. Click on enter. So don't get panicked because it shows failed and validation failed. Don't get panicked by that because you know that our device is unlocked, so it's going to be easy for us. And enter all these. So it's even though it says cannot load motoboot.img, just go forward. It says that okay writing, okay whatever, and again click on this, enter, and it says that okay finished writing. Yeah, so I'm doing it a bit fast, but you can slow down this video, or else as I said you can just join my Discord server. So it's just as simple, just paste all the codes which I'll be giving in the description below and enter this here and click on enter. It says sending system some files, so please wait for it because we need to be patient. Writing system, yes, and finish. So the next thing, again we are going to copy the next code and place it in here and click enter, and again it's going to be sent some message. So I'm not going to be giving commentary for all these codes, and you just need to copy as what I am doing. So this process is what we call it as flashing our mobile and installing a new version of Android, maybe a newer version or an older version, but a clean and a fresh install of Android like Windows is what we call it as flashing Android devices. And if you like this video, please like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for a lot more videos similar to this, and even more funnier and more interesting, because I will upload all the techie things, and this is going to be also simpler. I'm going to make it simple and make it understandable to you guys. So that's what my aim and my goal is. So during this time, I give you a warning. You should not turn our mobile off, or you should not take this cable off, because that's very dangerous. It may cause your phone to break down. So guys, if you are getting if you are getting any errors like failed after writing system, it may be a problem with your unlock or with your OEM unlocking in your Motorola device, and that's what my first part of our video is, and please make sure to watch it. So the next thing is flash modem in onhlos.bin. Just need to copy it as it is and paste it. Just give it enter, and again there's going to be a code called erase modem st1. I mean like modem t, yeah, modem st2 and modem st1, both are going to get erased. So don't think about it or don't worry about it. It's nothing. It's just going to be a code. It is all going to be it's all going to be benefit to your mobile, right? So think in that way and just flash your mobile. Yes, now it's going to be a final reboot test. I mean the fastboot.reboot. Here's where we are going to see our mobile reboot with a new version of Android. Yes, you can see our mobile got switched off suddenly. It's going to reboot again, and we are going to click on this start button right here. As you can see, bootloader unlocked. It's not going to make any problem for us. When you click on this, it's going to boot up with a new Android version. Yes, you can see it got booted up in Android 5.1.1. It's Android Lolipop. Before, you must have seen I got booted up in Android 7.1.1, which is Nougat. This is Android 5.1, which is basically what our goal of our video is. So guys, as you can see, after typing the code reboot, it shows it boots up to Android 5 Lolipop,
And sorry, by the way, my video got crashed while recording in the mobile phone. So I highly apologize for that. But anyways, we got it to the Android 5.1. You can see this the theme of Android 5.1, and you can continue with it. If any doubts, please ask me in Discord.
The set is always, you can always join my Discord server, or even I'll be giving you my WhatsApp number in the description. You can of course chat with me and ask any doubt. So if you are so pretty and if you are so fond of these kind of cats and dogs, you can of course join my Discord server, and there is going to be a lot of help for you in such kind of technical things.
Guys, another important note is that after you got Android Lollipop 5.1, which is actually the original version of Android and which is the genuine version for that particular mobile, that is Motorola X Play, you never upgrade it, or you would never upgrade its firmware to Android 7 because it sucks.